Hi, good morning. In book of Galatians chapter 1 verse 8, this is Tagalog and I will translate it in English. But even me or the angel come from heaven should preach a gospel other than we preach. Let God will curse them. So why is it I will share to you this verse? Because there are many false prophets today. It's biblical that there are many false prophet come in the last days of time. So be aware, believers of Christ, of these people who clothed with sheep, but they are inwardly wolves. Just comment down below and subscribe. God bless.